Hi there, students. Dyspeptic, an adjective. I guess dyspeptically, an adverb, and dyspepsia, the problem or the disorder, the noun of it. Let's see, if somebody has dyspepsia, they've got indigestion. It's just a rather formal way to say somebody's got bad indigestion. Yeah. So he tends to be dyspeptic because he just eats too much. Yeah, and he eats very fatty foods as well. Yeah, these are the things that can give you dyspepsia. Okay, so yeah, to have indigestion. Yeah, to have problems digesting food. And then if somebody is dyspeptic, they've got dyspepsia, this normally affects their mood and they're bad-tempered. So he's rather dyspeptic this morning, angry, easily annoyed, always disgruntled. Yeah, he's always angry and easy, and it's very easy to get him annoyed. Yeah, so he gave me a dyspeptic look. Yeah, he looked at me dyspeptically. So bad-temperedly, snappishly, he was rather tetchy. Yeah, short-tempered. Yeah, come on, there's no need to be so dyspeptic. I think, mind you, this using dyspeptic to mean bad-tempered, I think this is rather literary, so I think you probably need to be careful where you use it. Let's see, dyspeptic. I think I'd give it a 6.5 in formality. Let's see, use it in a semi-formal writing or above. I wouldn't use it, I think, in a semi-formal conversation. I would say either bad-tempered or with indigestion. Yeah, maybe bilious. No, bilious is probably a bit literary as well. Okay, so he's always rather dyspeptic in the morning. Yeah, I saw the dyspeptic look on my boss's face and decided it wasn't the right moment to broach him about the possibilities of a pay rise. Okay, so dyspepsia, this is the same as indigestion, an upset stomach. Yeah, so maybe dyspepsia and Christmas are two things that go together. Well, we ought to learn not to eat too much. Yeah, look who's talking. Okay, and then somebody who's dyspeptic, they're grouchy, they're morose, they're bad-tempered, they're always grumbling, they're gloomy, they're pessimistic. Yeah, and I think in an essay called his dyspeptic view of life, this is a good word to use. Okay, so what else was I going to say? Oh yeah, I think you could probably use this dyspeptic informally as a joke. Yeah, but I think you need to use it in a very informal situation. Yeah, Joe looks a bit dyspeptic this morning. Yeah, I think you could say that meaning with the idea of bad-tempered, because using it as a joke like that, clearly it's a really rather formal word. Yeah, and it just adds emphasis to it and makes it a joke, so you could use it like that as well. Okay, so let's see, what about some origin from this? Well, this comes from dyspeptikos, from ancient Greek, from dus, bad, and pepto, I digest. Dyspeptos, yeah, in Greek, difficult to digest. So I think that's probably enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Dyspeptic.